Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a friendly little tapir named Timmy. Timmy was unique, for he had a long, flexible nose that he could use to reach leaves high up in the trees. One sunny morning, Timmy woke up to find that his favorite tree was missing. He had never seen anything like it before. His heart felt heavy, and he decided to find his tree. Timmy ventured deep into the forest, asking his forest friends if they had seen his tree. The squirrels, the birds, and even the shy rabbits offered their help. They all joined Timmy in his search. As they walked, Timmy's friends shared stories about the tree. They spoke of how it provided shade, fruits, and a perfect place for them to play. Timmy felt a warmth in his heart, knowing how much the tree meant to his friends. After a long day of searching, they found the tree. It had been knocked down by a strong wind. Timmy's friends gathered around, and with Timmy's long nose, they were able to pull it back upright. The tree stood tall once again, and Timmy's friends cheered. Timmy felt grateful for his friends and his tree. He realized that even though the tree had fallen, its spirit remained strong. From that day on, Timmy and his friends made sure to take care of the tree. They watered it, protected it, and played beneath its branches. Timmy knew that the tree was more than just a tree. It was a symbol of friendship, a symbol of home. And so, Timmy the tapir, with his long, flexible nose, lived happily in his lush, green forest, surrounded by friends and his beloved tree. The end.